Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. Yep, I have a box. It just came today. And look, that's the carrier of my thing. And dun 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 dun. Ta-da! Yep, it came from Carmela Orchids from Hawaii, and I have orchids again, and of course my husband spoiled me again, and it arrived today. Mm. So we are going to unbox these here in the living room because there's a bunch of mosquito outside and it's also so hot, so I just decided to unbox here. But I'm not really gonna do unboxing because maybe I can do that here. So BRB. All right, we are back. I just put my phone, my camera on its tripod, but let's do this unboxing. All right, this is so big, so I should have reopened it, but it's all right. Oh, by the way, we are going to do a series of unboxing again for sure. Because I really wanted to see each plant. Actually, I wanted to have a record of it. That's why I do unboxing all the time, because this channel is all about my plants and I want to see what I'm doing with my plants. Actually, I am using my corded microphone, that's why it's making me too long. But anywho, let's just alright, BRB again. Alright, that is too harsh for me to do it. But we are alright now. I can do the unwrapping now, but whatever. So as usual, here's my invoice for these, and this is the name of the box, NBA Playoff Dendrobium Deal. So yep, and okay, let's start this unwrapping thing. Yeah, we're gonna have problem here because of my space. It's too small, but we are going to make it. Alright, so what I'm gonna have in this box, I'm gonna have dendrobiums. These are all dendrobiums. I'm going to have 16 mature dendrobiums and 40 dendrobium plugs. Those are 4 types of dendrobiums, 10 pieces each varieties. So let's start here at my front, and we'll see what's this. This is so huge. See this? I hope you can see it. I'm not looking at my camera. Oh, you cannot see it, but anyway, I'm going to pull it so y'all can see it. There we go. See, this is too long. See that? Da 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 da. Oops. Ta-da! That's too long. It seems like, wait, 30 inches? 34 inches. I use my table to measure it. The table is 30 inches. So it's taller. Ooh, it's taller than the table. So that's why I said 34. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's why it has a spike. Hi. Hey, I'm so happy it has a spike. Yeah, it's taking me too long. Just so excited. I don't know what to do. Oh gosh, this is huge. Can you see that? And look, this is how huge this is. And can you see my hand? Yeah, I have a little hands because I'm a little girl. And there you go. Let's see the flower spike. So pretty. Look at these. It's purple. It's kind of burgundy, whatever. Let's see what's the name of these. Oh, it has a name. I thought it doesn't have a name, but it has name. And this is so huge. Ooh, you cannot read it. But it has a maybe it's Thailand. Dendrobium Thailand crossed with Suzanne Neal. So that's his name. Oh, did I say his? I'm just gonna call it her. All my orchids gonna name her. And look, I have new growth here. 1, 2, and this one here is gonna give a spike for sure. It hasn't spiked yet. See that? So, and then I have this one that has a spike. Ooh, this is so cool. Now, where I'm gonna put it? Okay, let's put these old papers here, and I'm gonna put this plant here first. Okay, and then maybe we should start removing these here. That way I can put the ones that we opened right there. So this one here is a little shorter. It looks like 20 inches or less, but it's a huge plant too. It looks like it's in a 4-inch pot as well. So this is a mature plant for sure. Okay. So happy and excited. All right. Ooh, it has a spike. I can see a ta-da! It has a spike. This is a little bitty one, but it has a pretty spike. Ooh, so cool. I'm so excited. Ooh, double spike. Oh yeah, this is the hope, I guess. I used to have one. It died last winter, last December. Ta-da! Pretty. I think this is the hope. Let's see. Yep, this is the hope. See? Dendrobium New Hope Mini. So this tastes like these small ones, but this is so pretty. Look at these. I have 2 cane that has spikes, and this one has a bloom already. So I'm so happy with these. Ooh, there's another growth here. So that's the new growth there. This one, not that one, this one here. And this one is so pretty. Let's take that off there so we can put this here. So that's the first one. Ooh, it don't fit. It will fit for sure. There you go. It fit now. We'll make it fit. There you go. There's my 2 ones. So excited. Okay. I'm going to recycle these, so let's set that aside. And all right. Ooh, I think these little ones here are the okay. All right. Let's get this one here. That way we can use that space. All right. We are going to open this one. Here we go. This is huge too. It doesn't have a spike, but this is so huge. Just look at these. So big and tall. Ta-da! Let's do the camera a little bit like these. Alright. So, can you see that? That is so tall and so huge already. I really like it. And this is the Dendrobium. I can't see it. It's too small. I'm not wearing my eyeglasses. Dendrobium coranda classic, cross with self. Oh, it says it has 3 petals. So when it blooms, the bloom is gonna have 3 petals. So that's the third one. Let's see how many. Okay, we can still open another one. So, okay. Alright, we can open this one. This is huge too. Thank you so much, Carmela, for giving me a huge plant. I really, really love it. I've been wanting to get this deal, but I'm just so hesitant because look at these. I'm so hesitant because I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. You're really not sure what are you gonna get whenever you purchase orchids from Carmela. Every orchids are a surprise plant. So I think this is the fuzz. I used to have one again last year. My husband gifted me a orchids last year, and I think I had one like this, but it died. It did not. Oh, it survived from the winter, but when the spring comes, it dies. Yep, it smells good. And let's see if I'm correct. Yep, this is the Love Memory Fizz. Ta-da! Dendrobium Love Memory Fizz. I used to have one last year, and look what happened to. That's why they put this plastic tape here to prevent this media from going all over the place. But sometimes it don't do well as well because, you know, shipment. So I just wanted to put that there. I think we are going to open another one. I still have some time. I love their bark, their media. I love their media that they're using. It lasts long, and it makes my orchid grow more better. You know, the ones that my husband ordered me last 2 months ago, they're growing so good, and they're even flowering now. I just couldn't make videos because there's a bunch of mosquitoes. Oh, it has a keiki. Look at that. I got 2 keikis. Oh, wow, that's cool. I already have 2 keikis from this one. That is so nice. Alright, so that's the 4th one. Okay, we are going to unbox another one, and then we are going to pause the video, and because we are going to go to a second part of the video. But let's see. Let's open this one. So excited. This is huge. I love unboxing orchids because you really don't know what are you gonna get. But this time I'm not going to have problem with oncidiums because my husband ordered me. Oh wow. My husband ordered me dendrobiums alone. So I'm not gonna have problem with the oncidiums. Well, the oncidiums from last purchase, they're doing alright right now, but we'll see when the winter comes. But look at that. Okay, let's see the name first. It's Dendrobium Burana Green. Oh, it has a green. It has a green flower. Green cross with Trudy Brent. Wow, this is cute. I don't remember if I had one, but I can see the silhouette of the color. Feels like, looks like, seems like. I used to get one. Oh yeah, my first purchase. The very first purchase I got 4 years ago. I had one like this, and it's so pretty. It don't smell though. I don't know if it has a fragrance yet, but it's perfect, pretty one. So from this series, from this part, we are going to pause, and we unpacked five orchids. So I'll see you on the next part of the video. Bye!